Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add channels on Samsung TV. Let's go. Open Smart Hub. Settings. All settings. Or use settings button. Broadcasting. Select Auto. If you want to add channels manually, use Expert Settings. Manual. Select Digital or Analog. Enter the data for the channels manually. If you have a list of channels on a pen drive, use Transfer Channel List. Import. That's it. Now you know how to add channels on Samsung TV. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.